aka my internet home. So today I'm standing and I'm wearing a robe, so that obviously means I'm gonna do a try on haul. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. So like I was saying, anytime you see me standing and wearing a robe, I'm probably about to do a try on haul. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying on Savage X Fenty. I have been waiting to get my hands on some Savage X Fenty for the longest. I'm just gonna like quit talking right now and just get into like the first little outfit. So here we go. So the first piece that I'm gonna show you is this nude matching set. So honestly, I think this is so pretty. I know this is like the beginning of the video, but I really think this one might just be my like absolute favorite out of everything I picked. I might be speaking prematurely, but like who knows? But I love this so much. So it's just like this nude lace. The top is see-through, so for the purpose of this video, I am wearing nipple covers because this is my YouTube channel and not an OnlyFans page. So y'all ain't gonna see none of my videos like that. Super comfortable. There's no wiring in this, but honestly, I feel like it just fits so well. I don't really need the wiring. I absolutely love this set. The bottoms are thong. They have like cute little like lace frill. Yeah, it got a little lace frill on it or whatever, and it has like the emblem, the X emblem, like right here in the middle. It is so cute. It is so cute, and honestly, I really like this one because it makes me feel like grown and sexy. Like I don't know what it is about nudes and lace, but I think lace is such a delicate fabric that it just like, it's just so sexy when you wear lace, and then it's like in this nude, and it's like, this is me. I like this a lot. So I'm gonna stop fangirling about this first set and just hop into the next set. So BRB. So this is the next thing I picked out, and I honestly love this one so much too. Like, I just feel like a bad bitch. So this is a nice like purple lace bra and panty set. So this one does have clasps in the back, but what I love about the clasps in the back is that the hard wiring of the clasps is gold. Like what? Who does that? Who puts into detail like, okay, we're not just gonna have like white clasps or black ones, we're gonna have gold ones. Like they don't necessarily match with this, but I think it makes it so much better. Like it makes it so much like, it's like chef's kiss. It's gorgeous. So this bra, the other bra I had on didn't have any underwiring in it. This one did, but this bra does not have any padding in it, so this is just like what it is. This bra is also kind of see-through, but I like it. It's the lace. It's the lace for me, boo-boo. It really is the lace for me. Yeah, this is kind of see-through too. Again, I'm wearing nipple covers. If you guys want to know where I got the nipple covers from, they're from Forever 21. You could probably just get it at any place that sells like panties and shit and stuff like that. They were like $2, $3. And then it has like the little Savage X right here. I think this is so cute. So I think this is so cute. And then the matching bottoms. I have this in like a full brief, or are these cheeky? I can't remember if these are supposed to be cheeky or if this is a full brief, but it's definitely not a thong. Definitely full coverage. Still lace all the way through. Honestly, I'm gonna have such a hard time picking a favorite because I love this one too. This might be like top contender with that first one I tried on. Honestly, I'm gonna stop saying that I have favorites, and I'm just gonna try everything on and then see which one I like the most. Y'all could tell me down in the comments at the end of this video which like set you like the most. Tell me down in the comments. Oh, that's what I wanted to say. So the only thing is like, yes, these are sets, but they do not come together. You have to purchase them separately. I think mostly because you get different bottom options. Like you can get this in a brief, you can get this in a thong, you can get this like cheeky. I just chose to get the brief for this because sometimes you don't want to wear a thong all the time. I got a thong the first one. I don't know if I got another thong in here or not. But I just think this is super cute. Let me reset my camera because it's telling me I only got 4 minutes on this SIM card. And I'm not trying to like F up. So BRB, and when I come back I will have a different piece set one. Okay, so this is the next set. It is just this bra and panty set. Cotton, almost kind of mint greenish type of color. It gives me training bra vibes, sorta kinda, because it's like really soft and it's just like cotton. It has a little bit of lace at the top and it just says like Savage X Fenty, like in a diamond pattern. Right now when I'm looking at it in the viewfinder, I can't really see it, so I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see like the design. So the straps on this bra and all the other bras I picked up are adjustable, so you can set your girls however you would like. Super soft, super comfy. So I did say that this bra gives me like training bra vibes just because it's like so soft, so comfy, but it has a clasp. It's not the one that you would just like throw over your head like a sports bra. It's not a sports bra, it's lingerie. This is like at home, I'm at home and I don't really want to wear clothes type of lingerie. Not really like I'm about to go give my man some lingerie, but it's like I'm home and I'm chilling. I just got out the shower. I just want to put on something real nice, real comfy, and like edit. I would wear this editing if I didn't want to wear clothes. The bottoms right here, they match with the top. Like I said, they don't come together just because you can get different bottoms. I did get this one in a thong. They do offer like briefs and cheekies and maybe boy shorts. I can't exactly remember everything. I will put everything I got down in the description box below, so you gotta make sure you check that out. It's really comfy and I kind of wish I put this one on last so I could just stay in it, but I didn't, so I'm gonna just go put on the next one. Okay, so this is the next outfit. So me being the cartoon character that I really am on the inside, I picked up the same exact thing as I just had on, just in the color black. So there's not really much to say about this one except for I think, what is this? I think this one, the lace is a little different in the panties than it was in that green set, but it's the same exact thing, you know, training bra, comfy vibes. I still picked this one up in a thong too. I don't know why I didn't get it in a brief. So you can never have too many black bras and black panties, so I can't even be mad at myself for picking up the same exact set in black. You know what? Why not? Why the heck not? But let me just show you like the little, you could kind of see the detailing a little bit better, but I will step closer. Still really upset that I put this one on first before the last thing I have, because I really would, I might just stay in the set, depending on what it is that last one is. So BRB, let me get right into that one. Okay, so this is the last thing I picked up. It is like this gray bralette. When I picked this up, I did not know it was gray. When I picked this up, I thought this was actually black, so I didn't pick up any bottoms to wear with this. I'm still wearing the bottoms from the last one I just tried on. But now that I'm seeing this is gray, I'm kind of sad that I didn't pick up any panties because I thought these were black, so I didn't get any panties because I have enough black panties. I would have picked up some gray so that these could match. I really, 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 really love this top. Like, it is so cute. So it's this like lace gray bralette with like the satin trimming around here, and like the straps are thinner, and it's like only one clasp. It's not it's only one hook and eye. It's not like the 3 set, it's just one. The clasp itself is rose gold. It's so pretty. Like the hook and eye, the hardware of it is rose gold, and it is so pretty. It is just so pretty. And this lace detailing, I think the lace ones are all my favorites. The lace is just like, it's the lace for me, for real. It really is the lace for me, because I love these so much. It's just like so soft and delicate. Like it's like what I consider like classy sexy. I like to consider myself like a classy girl, like that old-fashioned classy. It's not that like harsh sexy. Like this is like that soft, like I'm gonna wear this. So as you can see, it is see-through. I have the pasties on, you can see right through it. But like imagine you just come home and you put this on for your man. So like imagine, you know, you just come home and you take a shower, you exfoliate, you shave, make sure you smell good, you put this on for your man, you put your little music on, you light a candle. Girl, you put this on with a robe, and you just just like pop up at the door like, hello. Yeah, this is just so pretty. It's so pretty and so soft. Like, I don't even know what else to tell you about this. Yeah, so it's lace and it has like a little frill. It's just really girly, really feminine, and I love that. I just really love a good feminine piece. It's just so, it's just so nice. I like it so much. Okay, and that was the last thing I got, so that is it for today's video. Please let me know down in the comments which one did you like the best, and if you've ever shopped with Savage X Fenty before. So go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also let me know if you'd like to see me do any more try on hauls down in the comments, whether it be a specific brand or a specific type of try on haul. Let me know down in the comments so I can get right on that. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!